I know you have been struggling with infertility for many years. Perhaps you might have suffering with other hormonal related issues also. The terrible thing about infertility treatment is its uncertainty of results, and that scares every woman. Being infertile make every woman realize how much they desperately want kids and cry alone, unable to handle the social pressure. Perhaps you are worried whether stay hopeful or give up. Realize getting pregnant is not that hard. Two things are crucial. One is change of mindset, and the second one is following a proven system and yogic techniques that I am revealing at the end of this video. Before that, here are the 10 reasons why getting pregnancy becomes hard for you. 1. You are not leveraging your body, mind, and energy. First and foremost, realize this fact. Pregnancy happens when you correct your body, mind, and energy. These are the three things we have, and the fastest way to reverse infertility and conceive fast is fine tuning them or correcting them. So, the fastest and cheapest way to get pregnancy is by 1. Correcting your body through right foods. 2. Correcting your mind through right thoughts. 3. Correcting your energy through right yogic techniques. This is by far the easiest, the fastest, and the cheapest way to fight with your infertility problem because you are leveraging your body, mind, and energy. You can do this. In fact, you can alone do this. Your doctors can't do this. Reason number 2. You are eating more animal products and vegetable oils. Animal foods contain cholesterol, fat with no starch, dietary fiber, or other essential sugars. It poisons your gut environment and disturbs gut microbes. Gut imbalance is the root cause of all hormonal imbalances. Overfeeding of high cholesterol is cause of obesity. Over fat in the body is cause of all metabolic diseases. Metabolic diseases aggravate hormonal problems. Reason number 3. You are not eating enough grains and vegetables. Grains are a great source of antioxidants and essential for preventing inflammation and chronic diseases. Starches give you a lot of energy and also low in fat with no cholesterol. They are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. Starches are essential for your health. Non-starchy vegetables and fruits provide important nutrients and therefore use as a side dishes to grain and starch-based diets. Reason number 4. You are not exercising or not doing right exercises. Most of the time you are sitting in a chair. For doing work, you sit in the chair. For shopping, you sit in the chair. For eating, you sit in the chair. For watching television, you sit in the chair. According to a study, Americans sit an average of 13 hours every day. Study after study proving that if you sit more than half of a day, you are heading for chronic diseases. There is no surprise because our body is not designed to sit. Health of your neural and endocrine system is a prerequisite to restore your hormone balance. Fertility problems are linked to endocrine disorders. Nervous system and endocrine system work in tandem to maintain your health. Reason number 5. You are focusing on getting pregnancy. You are focusing on getting pregnancy, but not focusing on restoring your hormonal balance. This is like worrying about the fruit without working on the soil. The priority, therefore, should be restoring hormonal balance, but not getting pregnancy. Every one of us knows that getting pregnancy is a natural process and no external support is required. But why the simple natural process becomes so hard for you? The reason is that modern medicine focusing on getting pregnancy. So, when you are diagnosed with any of the hormonal related problems, the priority should be restoring hormonal balance but not getting pregnancy. Restoring hormonal balance is in your hands and it doesn't take much time also. So, restoring hormonal balance is the easiest path in getting pregnancy. Trying to conceive without restoring hormonal balance is the hardest path, and therefore getting pregnancy becomes so hard for you. Reason number 6. You are not reprogramming your subconscious mind. Some women think that why they are not getting pregnant when everything is normal. When things are not apparent, their subconscious mind might have prohibiting their pregnancy. Why you should recode your subconscious mind? 1. The wrong beliefs are embedded in your subconscious mind. 2. All these stressful thoughts are triggered by your subconscious mind. 3. Unless you reprogram your subconscious mind, you don't have control over your stress and anxiety in life. 4. You must take control of your stress and anxiety and release the stagnant energies. Otherwise, you cannot completely cure hormonal imbalances and fertility problems. These are the 4 important facts that all the doctors completely ignore. Reason number 7. You have embraced masculine traits. The concept of feminine energy and masculine energy is extensively discussed in ancient Eastern philosophies. In the Chinese culture, this is referred as Yin Yang, and in the Indian culture, it is referred as Shiva Shakti. In the contemporary world, women are trying to compete with men. They are becoming action and goal oriented, assertive and aggressive, competing with men in every walk of the life, and they are successful also. These women can't display masculine traits without carrying masculine energy. If woman carries too much masculine energy and display masculine traits, she is blocking her feminine energy. Consequently, her estrogen and progesterone levels are imbalanced. Reason number 8. You are not giving enough restfulness to your mind. A daily dose of restfulness is necessary to maintain and restore your health. Here I am not talking about a daily dose of sleep. What I am talking is a daily dose of restfulness. Sleeping and restfulness are two different things. Restfulness is a state of quietness, and this is an opposite state of tension. You can sit and be in a state of restfulness or a state of tension. You can perform your work in a state of restfulness or in a state of tension. Society has transformed women into doers and overachievers. They lead families, do jobs, head the businesses, and expected to do variety of tasks and roles. The cost of this transformation is that women ending up with stress, frustration, and exhaustion, and eventually developing diseases like PCOS, fibroids, endometriosis, and many other health and fertility problems. The state of restfulness is therefore essential to wake up the self-healing capacity of your body. Reason number 9. You are blocking your feminine energy. All the fertility problems are caused by imbalance in the hormones. Women who overly rely on masculine energy and underuse feminine energy are bound to experience hormonal breakdown. Stress and masculine traits are the main villains. When you embrace and embody masculine activities, you end up with stress and exhaustion. When you take up masculine activities, obviously your testosterone levels are rising in your body. 82% of women with excess androgens have PCOS and suffer with problems like infertility, acne, and unwanted ugly hairs. Simply, you are blocking your true qualities of loving, caring, and nurturing as you consider them as a weak and undesirable. You are completely out of alignment with your feminine energy, and that resulting in all sorts of hormonal imbalances. Reason number 10. You are not taking advantage of yogic techniques. You might have unresolved conflicts. You might have relationship and sexual issues. You might have self-esteem issues. You might have financial issues. So, whatever the reason, anxiety and distress become part of your life. Stress will affect your menstrual cycles. Stress causes irregular cycles. Stress will worsen premenstrual symptoms. You suffer symptoms of cramping, fluid retention, bloating, and mood swings. Chronic stress will destroy your immunity system. All these factors will affect your hormonal balance and fertility. It is in this context our fertility yoga plan come to your rescue. Yes, you can increase fertility 3 times, many times. Yes, you can protect your fertility with 30 minutes of joyful activity every day. Even if you are failing, aged, and giving up. If you are over the age of 35 and concerned about your infertility problems, I want to share some amazing news. New scientific studies confirm these 10,000 years old yogic techniques can cure infertility problems like AMH, LH, FSH, and PCOS, and can improve IVF outcomes, can enhance fertility 3 times or even more. Click the link given in the description and take action now. And I am sure you will thank me later. Our mission is to support the women fighting infertility, and therefore give your comments whether our content is helping you or not. Your comments are precious for us to come up with new ideas so that we can support even better.